how to hide all your Facebook posts at once by setting them to only me. So let's get started. First, let's quickly discuss why you might want to hide your post. Whether it's for privacy reasons, cleaning up your profile, or just wanting to share less with the public, it's a great way to control who sees your content. Now start by opening the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, here you can see the post you've shared. Simply tap on the three dots, select on edit privacy. Here you can choose on only me to adjust that only you can view the post. Click on done. And that's it. You need to do the same for all the posts that you've shared. And that's how you can turn only me on the post you've shared.